We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for the smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with BBIG Stock, Binco Ventures Inc. continuing that upward movement. Had an explosive move to begin the day, and overall, while it was going higher, the overall market was falling, and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 10:25 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options went up 3 to 4x within hours, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts. So BBIG stock holding itself up, explosive move that started since yesterday. We're going to talk about some key levels going into Monday. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the opportunity of today turned out to give realistic expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to give 15% within minutes, and that was TKAT. In the pre-market, it was under strength, had a bull indicator since yesterday going into the aftermarket hours, and pulled up to a highest point of 15% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with BBIG Stock, Binco Ventures Inc. And as I stated earlier in the video, what an explosive move today that the stock had, and it had such a move like yesterday's, and it's closed higher than where it started. This is going to be very interesting going into next week, and today's key levels will matter. We're going to look at this from the 4-hour and the 1-day as well. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now join the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving this edge and clarity over the charts. So BBIG stock has been under a bull indicator since yesterday at $2.27 based off the 30-minute. It actually hit a low today of 233 and took off to highs of 260 plus, right? It's pulled back down. It's sitting in the 240s, and we have to talk about some key support levels and resistance levels based off the chart. But let's look at the 4-hour first, and then we're going to look at the 1-day and how things are looking on the bigger picture. So in yesterday's video, this part right here did not exist, right? We just got a bull indicator, and I talked about this bull indicator popping up. We needed to see that transition happen so it can cancel out this bear indicator. Now it needs to continue breaking through resistance levels and showing strength within these moves. We just had the transition into red with green borders, and I stated we want to see these bars larger than the previous, right, as it did right here, and have that continuation to the upside. And here we got it. And then we want to see a bull indicator popping up to cancel out this bear indicator. Now, BBIG stock has tried 3 times to bring itself back up on the way down, but they weren't strong enough, those reversals, and they did not get bull indicators. This is the first time we're getting this bull indicator in this reversal that has formed, and we want to see this continue with strength. Now, if I pull up the 1 day though, this is very important because I've stated we need to see it come back around, and it started yesterday, even though it's under a bear indicator, going back up to red with green borders. We want this to continue and go into dark green and continue into bright green as it has done before. But most importantly, for a bull indicator to pop up and cancel out this bear indicator. Those are the key things we're watching right now here based off the chart and what it's going on in the bigger picture. And on the 4 hour, this is the beginning of a possible continuation, and we need the 30-minute to hold up that strength as I stated in yesterday's video. So now we're going to talk about the supports and resistance going into Monday. So the first level that I'm watching is here at 243. If that gets broken through, then the next level would be down here at the lows of the day at 233. I'll be watching that very carefully to see if the bulls reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are trying to tear this down really quickly. Another thing too is if this bull indicator gets canceled out by a bear indicator on any further pullback to the downside. Now, it was pulling back and transitioning to dark green with red borders, but this last bar has turned dark green with green borders. So very interesting here. This could be the setup for the next bull run if it could continue to hold up and break through resistance levels and hold up on the 4 hour and also pull up the 1 day with it. Now, to the upside, we want to break through 256 first, and then get past the high of the day, which was 262, and based off the history of the chart, back up here towards the 270s and 277 range, as I stated, and then we can start talking about above $3. Now, most importantly, I've stated that we needed to get back above the 240s, 245 range, and it's fighting there to create support, and if the bulls can hold that up and continue to push away from it, that is going to be very interesting going into Monday. But what an explosive move. And on the 30-minute, this bull indicator is still there, just popped up on the 4 hour as we saw, and the 1 day is continuing that reversal back up, and we want to see a bull indicator pop up to cancel out this bear indicator. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's